Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Double Jack Talk Show, and in today's video we are going to Gurara Waterfalls. Okay guys, this is how we prepared ourselves on the Valentine's Day, and then we headed straight to Gurara Waterfalls. Okay guys, on reaching here you have to pay 2,000 naira per person for you to get access to the waterfall. So guys, we got in, and then the reception was cool, and the place was actually very beautiful, as you can see in the video. And then we got 2 tour guides, and those tour guides were so exceptional. They took us around. But guys, let me tell you a story first. We were supposed to go on this trip with a group, but then guys, we woke up very late, and then we decided to just go there by ourselves. So guys, if you're watching up to this point and you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please hit that subscribe button right there, and remember to give this video a thumbs up. Guys, see the way I was climbing. I saw water. I was so excited. See how it's flowing. This is nature, and this looks so beautiful. Gurara Waterfalls is a place you have to be there. So guys, find time and go there. It's in Niger State. So guys, watch the video. Guys, at this point I was moving so fast, and we had to take a stop, snap some pictures before we proceed. Because we didn't reach here on time, we couldn't enter the water just like others do, as you can see in other videos or on pictures. We couldn't enter water, we couldn't change our outfits because we were actually late. Driving from Abuja to Gurara Waterfalls is something that's not supposed to take time. But since it was our first time and we didn't know the road, we had to use a very bad road that took us more than 2 hours on the road to Gurara Waterfalls. But at this point, we were so happy, and then we had to take a jump. Just watch us do this. Is this not beautiful? Yeah. Just take a look at that.
This way.
See my fellow wanderers. We're coming down this. Okay. Wow. How want to come up? Still this way? Yeah?
Yes.
Nice one. On Valentine's Day, God. See what's right. We almost there. Despite that, it was worth the adventure. I guess when I was climbing the rocks, my mind was pumping. I doubt that. Water bottle. Let's go. Okay.
This was how our day ended. Alright guys, thank you all for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and remember to give this video a thumbs up. Bye, see you in my next video.